Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Samsung Galaxy S24 FE original or refurbished. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you'll find all the options to customize and manage your device. Step 2. Once the settings, scroll down and locate the About Phone option. Tap on it to view detailed information about your device. Step 3. In the About Phone section, look for Status information. Tap on it and scroll down until you see Phone Status. If it says Official, this means your phone is genuine and original. If it says something else like Custom, the phone might have been refurbished or modified. Step 4. Go back to the About Phone page and find your IMEI number. Tap and hold on the number to copy it. This number is a unique identifier for your device. Step 5. Now open your browser and go to any trusted IMEI checker website, such as imei.info or Samsung's own support page. Paste your copied IMEI number into the search box and tap Check. Wait a moment and it will show you detailed information about your phone, model, manufacturing date, and whether it's original or refurbished. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.